A 60-year-old man accidentally slipped and fell into the water of Khowai River on Saturday. His name is Asim Shah. However, with the help of the locals, the fire service personnel rescued him from the Khowai River. According to the news, a person named Asim Shah, 60 years old, from Telemura Dasamigat area, accidentally slipped and fell into the water of the Khowai River while doing some work. Because he doesn't know how to swim, he started to sink in the water without swimming. Fire department personnel immediately reached the spot after receiving the information about the incident. Later, with the help of the local people and fire department personnel, the man was rescued from the river water in a serious condition and brought to Telemura Division Hospital. Currently, the injured person is undergoing treatment at Telemura Hospital.
কি নাম ওনার? কোন জায়গায় বাড়িটা কিছু জানা গেছে? বয়স্ক নাকি? কি কারণে মানে বসে?
A 60-year-old man from Telemura Dasamigat area narrowly escaped from death with the help of local people and fire service personnel. Reported by Hiranmoy from Telemura, Chini, Khorang.